Welcome to R2 Prof. In this video, I will demonstrate how to access the SAP Fiori system for the case study that uses the global bike dataset. You must have been provided with specific login credentials, including a designated username, an initial password, and a client number. These credentials are required to access the SAP environment and complete the assigned case study activities within the system. On the SAP Fiori login screen, enter the username provided to you. In my case, the username is learn-430. Next, enter the initial password provided by the instructor. You are also required to enter the designated client number as per instructions. After entering all the required information, select Log On. Because this is the first login, the system will prompt you to change your password. At this stage, create a new password that meets the system security requirements and confirm it. The SAP Fiori interface will then appear along with a brief guided tour introducing the layout and navigation features. After reviewing the overview, you may close the pop-up to proceed. If the HCM module is not immediately visible on the home screen, select the More option to expand the available modules. It is important to remember the 3-digit identifier in your username. In my case, this is 430. This number will be used later in the case study when saving and documenting your work, so please make a note of it. This completes the login process and navigation into the HCM module for the GBI case study. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.